Many married couples have struggled with the notion that sex style and position determine the sex of a baby. Some have sworn that this has worked for them and even went as far as opening Facebook pages to teach couples what sex styles and positions could provide answers to their wishes. In fact, many have stated unequivocally that certain sex position could result in a prolonged activity of the Y chromosomes, which will result in a male child for those parents who are willing to give anything to have a male child. What you have been told is a lie. Here is what we know and is scientifically proven. The mother always provides an X chromosome, while the father can provide either an X or a Y chromosome. If the father's sperm carrying an X chromosome fertilizes the mother's egg, the baby will be female, XX. If the father's sperm carrying a Y chromosome fertilizes the mother's egg, the baby will be male, XY. There is no scientific evidence that suggests that sex positions or sex styles can determine the sex of a baby. These are just myths and old wives' tales that have no basis in reality. Gender selection is a complicated process that involves various scientific techniques and technologies, such as in vitro fertilization, IVF, with pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, PGD, sperm sorting, and sperm donation. It's important to rely on accurate and reliable information when it comes to matters of reproduction and fertility. So, if you are planning to conceive and have a preference for the sex of your baby, it's best to consult with a doctor or a qualified healthcare professional who can provide you with the right guidance and options. This is currently a science-proven and evidence-based process for sex selection or to determine the sex of your baby. At AJC Health, we are totally concerned about your good health, well-being and lifestyle. Feel free to visit our health and wellness blog and join our online community at Ask AJC website, www.askajchealth.com. If you love this video, please smash the like button, and if you like to see more of these videos, please subscribe. However, I promise you that I won't be mad if you do not. Thanks for watching.